Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this. It is the DRJ projector, and this thing is absolutely fantastic. Super bright as you can see. There's actually a lot of ambient light in this room, but fortunately this thing is incredibly bright. Now, something you need to know is that these bulbs are meant to last thousands and thousands of hours. Unlike those older projectors, you never have to replace them. They also have plenty of USB ports for power for your Fire Stick and your Roku stick, your Apple device, all that sort of thing, Apple TV. And in this case, we have the Amazon Fire Stick, just plugged it in, and it's automatically connected to all my TVs, all my network, all my information, and it'll even tie into Alexa to where I can tell her things to do. She can play the lyrics right on screen when I'm listening to music in the other room. So an absolutely amazing device. Super bright, plenty of HDMI ports, plenty of USB ports, and a tremendous price. Talking Amazon Prime, which is free shipping, free returns, and the A to Z guarantee. If you don't like it for any reason, you can send that bad boy back and they're gonna take care of it. So a fantastic device. You're gonna wanna order today. You absolutely won't be disappointed, and look at how many ratings, thousands of ratings, and almost a 5-star average. So a tremendous, tremendous opportunity. In this case, I have this on the projector on a table next to my bed, and I can watch projected TV from the bedroom, which is absolutely amazing. You're gonna wanna pick one up today. Thanks for watching. Remember, Dr. J, it's the brand that cares. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.